Freedom is coming, oh yes, I know. Freedom is coming, freedom is coming, oh yes. Freedom is coming, oh yes.
That's better. You can hit better on the amplified voice, I know. Now, your last two are slightly different. So this song's that last little drop. Have a listen. Yes, that's right. So have a listen to those last two. Yeah.
Have we got those actually? Yeah, they're good. Don't worry about the song, just let that flow through you. Bring it in when you can. There are 3 or 4 songs that I don't teach, I just sing and you pick it up. Sail, I'm With You That I Might Heal, 2 John Bowker songs, the weaving together of our hearts, our minds, spirit, body, emotional body, all of that, our light and dark threads, all of it, all of it. We've experienced all of it. All of the different shades between the white. Journeys through. We are weaving our lives. We are weaving our hearts and our minds. We are weaving our lives.
Freedom is coming, freedom is coming, oh yes, I know. Freedom is coming, freedom is coming, freedom is coming, oh yes, I know. Freedom is coming.